was born and raised a Sooner fan. Both my parents and older brothers attended this university. My brothers marched in the Pride of Oklahoma, our university band, and so I grew up at football games and around campus. And so I never doubted that I would be a Sooner, never doubted that I would attend this university. But I think as I started to get the test scores and the GPA and the involvement in high school, and I saw friends going all over the country for school, I questioned, is OU the right place for me? But I still never wavered. And I think that was an understanding, and what ultimately drew me to OU and that confidence was understanding that a degree from OU would not only change my life, but be respected anywhere I went. So my senior year, I was involved in youth and government, and it ignited a passion in me for public policy. I always knew I was interested in government, but I didn't know exactly where that was. And I realized that it was in drafting policy. At the time, I didn't want to go to law school, so I wanted a degree that was going to be helpful for someone without a JD wanting to go into government affairs. Now I'm going to law school, but I declared economics because I realized every part of public policy has a fiscal impact. Reflecting on where I am now as opposed to where I was when I was 18, moving into my freshman dorm, I think OU has played a really big part in my confidence. Aligning my goals and aligning what I want to do in life. Building up the confidence in me by challenging me through opportunities and saying, we're going to push you in the classroom, we're going to push you in your job, we're going to push you in your student involvement and make sure that you're growing into the leader that you want to be. And so, yes, I'm going to leave here with a degree, but I'm also leaving here with so much more. I'm leaving here with a sense of confidence that I never thought that I was going to be able to have. And I feel like because of my experience at OU and my degree at OU, I can really accomplish whatever I want to do in the professional realm, which has been such a gift from this university. And a big reason through tour guide why I tell people to come here. You don't just get a degree, you don't just leave as a student, but you leave as the person you always wanted to be because of the mentorship, encouragement, and generosity that the university has for its students.